many of us still have the time to write down some special recipes? I know with just a click of the button, we can find amazing recipes online. We can bookmark them or even save them in our digital notes. In fact, I do the same as well. But I get a very special feeling when I have to open my diary before beginning that not so usual recipe, the method of which I normally do not remember. It sort of preps me up for the whole process of making something nice. For those select recipes which my mother-in-law told me when we visited her, or even that cake recipe which my mom told me over the phone, I maintain this diary. Some time ago, I visited my friend and spent some good time with her in her house. There, I learned this super delicious ginger cookie recipe, and it had to go into my diary the moment I returned. This is the diary that I grab at all such instances when I want to make something special. Normally, when we are writing down a recipe, we don't really grab our laptops, do we? It is a piece of paper most likely. So what I do is that I bring that paper with me and I make sure to make a note of it in my pretty diary. Today, as I flip through the pages and see these recipes, I realize that each recipe has some or the other memory behind it. Turns out, it means way more to me than I thought. Today, I did all my prep work in the dining room because it was super windy, and I decided to take all my time and make these while enjoying this lovely breeze. Try slowing down the speed with which you normally cook or bake, and you will realize that the activity of cooking or baking becomes quite calming, just like this.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried, things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road I've crossed. I guess I've been lucky to some degree, for someone who ate all the fruit from the tree. The stars been aligned and my goose hanging high. I'll be okay in the sweet by and by. was born at morning.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. I can only tell you that my house was filled with comforting ginger aroma and I was loving it. Normally, I like baking it on a Friday because weekend excitement. How many of you actually like to bake something special on Friday evenings? At least I love to do that, and I think that makes our weekend even more special. Don't you think so?